Well guys, we got a new toy, so let's open it up, check it out. We're going to start with the little package that came along with this, and this is just a little paper envelope and a small spool of welding wire. I was actually expecting a little bit larger roll than this, but it's a little roll. It'll get us going at least a couple of welds. Probably not that far though. Next thing we're going to do, take a little blade. Go ahead and open this thing up. Let's see what's all in there. Get rid of that foam. So this is our gas regulator. By the way, I don't have the gas bottle yet. Still working on getting that. So here we have our regulator valve that goes on the tank. We have our gas hose for when we get the regulator hooked up to the tank. Set that down over there. Go ahead and pack that down with this. There's the main unit for the welder. There's our lead in case we want to do stick welding, which I can't imagine wanting to do that right away. We do have an adapter so we can do a 110 outlet. We have our ground lead. Our lead for the MIG. So it looks like we're missing a couple of pieces. We don't have a nozzle that goes on the MIG gun there. So it might be here in the box. It doesn't appear to be. So we're going to look in a few more places here. There's our one of our clamps. And there is our nozzle. And more of the parts. So this is actually built where it'll hold a larger spool. Have our nice chart there that talks about how to set up all your settings. So at one point here real soon I'm going to go ahead and hook all this stuff up and get the ground cable connected, and put all this stuff together. And there's our ground clamp. So now we have all of it here. Get it all put together, and then we'll be able to start welding. I just gotta read the instructions and decide what goes where according to what the instructions tell us. Anyway, this is it. This is the new toy, and we'll have more videos of what we do with this new toy here real soon. So stick around and see what we can build with it.